Hello guys, and welcome back to lecture number 11 of Javascript in Shona. Sarangundonzi Elvin, and this is a series where Javascript in Shona. And lecture nasi we're going to talk about my arrow functions, right? So earlier this course, all along, we're declaring functions in this traditional way. You could see the keyword function, or the function name, or my parentheses. After that, over my curly braces, and then mukati ma curly braces ndomatoisa chi body yefunction rako handiti. Then kana wakuda kushandisa function rako iwewe ungori kuuya ubva sei ubva wakola function rako panapa, and then the code is mukati mefunction nobva execute, right? So right now I have a simple function randati my function 1, and function ringoprinta ilaenda kuti a normal function, and then tobva tarikola panapa robva raprint output yedu yepanapa. Now there's another way yatinogona kucreate nayo mafunctions muJavascript anonzi ma-arrow functions, and ma-arrow functions aya akaintroducwa mu ES6 pakabuda ES6 yeJavascript ndo pakaintroducwa ma-arrow functions. And ma-arrow functions, they come in handy a lot of times because you see kuti the actual details of the difference between an arrow function and normal function are out of the scope of the syllabus. But right now, what I just want you to understand is to appreciate change bonds arrow function and the no shanda say, right? And then my differences actually will go into detail my area in a more advanced tutorial, right? So this function and this is a normal function, right? And how do we create an arrow function, right? So I'm going to comment this function out, and then do create an arrow function. So the way we create an arrow function is to not const keyword, and for that function name, let me call it my function 2, and so it's const function name of what equals some parentheses ako, then arrow arrow above my curly braces, and within these curly braces ndoma unonyora block of code yako yaunongoda kuti execute. And so muno muchangonyora kuti arrow function, and ndikanyora kuti arrow function, and then ndikasave apa ndikarefresha browser hapana chinhu because handina kukola function racho, ndichangoya ndongorikola like a normal function, handiti ndikasave apa ndikarefresha browser, you see kuti inenge ranyora kuti arrow function, right? So this is the way yatinonyora my arrow function. And arrow function functional just like any other function, but it has its own advantages now over a traditional function. Some of the advantages include kuti arrow function and it harina its own instance like this, and there is no inherit this from the scope, and this is something that is out of the scope of this course, and just what I'm going to detail in the next course. And but I just wanted you to appreciate kuti kune chinhu chinonzi ma-arrow functions, and tinogona kumashandisa kudeclare ma-arrow functions edu, right? Now an arrow function rinogona kutambira futi ma-parameters just like any other function, right? So muno ndogona kuuya muno andika ndobva ndatoti ma-parameters angu num1 and ndoti num2 andika num2 muno ndobva ndati document.write num1 plus num2 andika, and document.write num1 plus num2, and then pandikukola function ndinori I'll pass in 4 and 4, and then if I save this and refresh, it should give us 8, and it's 1. So just like a normal function, you can give it parameters, we can give it any other, we can work with it like a normal function, right? So you should start experimenting with arrow functions and get used to them, because they will come in handy a lot of times. And then one last thing, my arrow functions, and if you only have one line of code, and you can omit I am curly braces and then you just write everything in a single line, and then ndikaisa kana kuti 5 panapa, this should return as a 9, and as you can see zvinotoshanda zvakanaka. So arrow functions will make life easier for you as a developer, and zvinhu zvako zvinofamba musha. So this was all for lecture number 11. I wanted you to appreciate kuti tine arrow functions and anoshanda sei. So start experimenting in arrow functions, and then we'll meet in the next lecture. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.